Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix PUBG Battlegrounds not launching on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for everybody. So you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for PUBG Battlegrounds. If your system doesn't meet these, the game may not launch or may crash often. Second step, you just need to open up Steam. Right click on the PUBG Battlegrounds and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it in launch option and just go to install files and select browse. Go to TSL game folder, binaries folder, Win64 and right click on the TSL game.exe. Select properties, select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select check mark disable full screen optimizations. After that just select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and select verify integrity of game files. After that just to close stuff here. Third step is to update graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Fourth step, disable background applications. Background apps, especially those with overlays, Discord, GeForce Experience, etc., can interfere with PUBG. To close that, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You just need to end task for unnecessary apps. Ensure apps like Discord, MSI, Afterburner, Overwolf, or any other overlay software are closed. After that, just close stuff here. Fifth step is to check for updates. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just close stuff here. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the PUBG Battlegrounds not launching problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.